hope all are doing good. Did you all remember the last class which we have learned the 5-digit numbers? Yes, we have learned about the 5-digit numbers, face value and place value, right? So today we'll discuss about the 6-digit number. Okay, children. So before that, tell me for the what is the place value chart for the 5-digit number? Yes, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Yes, for the 5-digit number, we have the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Yes, na? So this is the place value chart for the 5-digit number. So today's class will learn about the 6-digit number. Okay. So after the 10,000s place, what do we have now? So we will have lakhs place. Okay. So we will have lakhs in our 6-digit place. So the next place value will be lakh. So this is the place value chart. So as we have seen in our previous classes, we have divided into groups, right? So we have divided this into groups where we called this as ones period. We called this as ones period, and till here we called it as thousands period. Did you all remember? So this is your thousands period and ones period. So now what this will become now? It will become the lakhs period. Okay. So this will become the lakhs period. So this is a 6-digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, this is our 6-digit number. So let us repeat once again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So we call this place value chart till here up to this number as a 6-digit number. So let us see few examples for the 6-digit number. Look here. So before reading this number, we'll place the commas. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. So till here, we'll break this into periods. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So we read this number as 5 lakhs 43,248. Okay. 5 lakhs 43,248. So we write the number name as 5 lakhs. What is the lakhs spelling? L-A-K-H-S. L-A-K-H-S. Lakhs. Okay. 5 lakhs 43,000. What is the thousand spelling? T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Thousand. 200. What is the hundred spelling? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 48. F-O-R-T-Y. 48. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay. So this is the number name for a 5-digit number. Okay. Sorry, 6-digit number. So we write the number name as 5 lakhs 43,248. Okay. Did you all understood? So this is the number name for which we have written for a 6-digit number. So let us read few more numbers. So before this, we'll place the commas ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So how do we read this number? 4 lakhs 58,675. Okay, 4 lakhs 58,675. Okay, so if we have one more number here, then it will come under 10 lakhs place. Okay, so that will come under the lakhs period itself. So let us see one of the example for that. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So this is the number. So how do we read this number? Now 76 is there in the lakhs period. 48 is in the thousands period. 725 is there in the ones period. Okay. So we read this number as 76 lakhs 48,725. Okay, let me repeat again. 76 lakhs 48,225. Okay, did you all understood, children, how to read the number, 6-digit number? Now, how do you write the number name? The same, 76 lakhs. Tell me the spelling of lakhs. L-A-K-H-S, lakhs. Okay, 48,000. Thousand spelling T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 1,700. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 725. Okay, so we write the number name in this form. Now let us see few more examples of the number, like how do we read the number. Okay, now place the comma. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we read this number as 5,87,325. Okay, 5,87,325. So we'll see one more number. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So we'll put a comma. 1,000, 10,000. We read this number as 6,54,205. Okay, 6,54,205. Okay, now let us see one more number. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1,000, 10,000. Now this is under your lakhs period. So we write this as 15 lakhs 48,342. 15 lakhs 48,352. Okay, so these are the numbers and the number names, like how we read a number and write the number. Okay, so as we have seen the face value and place value for a 5-digit number in the previous class, so let us see the face value and place value for a 6-digit number. Okay, so let us see the place value and face value. So what is a place value? So as I told you already, place value is the value that represents the digit in the place in which place it is present. Okay, so let us see the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Okay, so first of all let us take a 6-digit number. Okay, so what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is 2 itself. The place value of 8 will be 80. Place value of 5 will be hundreds place, so 500. Okay, place value of 3, it is in thousands place, so it will be 3,000. Place value of 2, it is in 10,000s place, so it will be 20,000. Okay, 8, place value of 8, it is in lakhs place, so we write it as 8 lakhs. So how many zeros do we have for lakh? We have 5 zeros. Okay, you can know by counting the number of digits after the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for lakhs place we have 5 zeros. So you write 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your lakhs place. Okay, so the place value of 8 will be 8 lakhs. Now face value, coming to the face value. So how do you write the face value? The face value will represent the number itself. Yes or no? We have seen in the last class now. So for the 5-digit number, the face value represents the same value. So face value of 2 will be 2. Face value of 8 will be 8. Face value of 5 will be 5. Face value of 3 will be 3. Face value of 2 will be 2. Face value of 8 will be 8 itself. Okay children, I hope you understood the place value and face value of the number. So, for today's task, let us write the number names and also the place value and face value of the number. Okay. So, for today's task, write the number names. So, write the number names for the following numbers. Okay. So, these are the few numbers which I give you. Write the number names for the following numbers. 8,32,504. Okay. The second one, 7,64,320. Okay. The third one, 4,53,425. Okay, children. Write the number names for these following numbers and also find out the place value and face value for 3. Okay, we have 3 in this numbers, right? So, write the place value and face value and also write the face value, the place value and place value of the digit 3 in the following numbers. Okay, face value of 3 in all these numbers. So, we find 3 in all the numbers, right? So, find the place value and face value of this digit 3 in all these numbers. Okay, children, will you try it? So, please do try it. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
2-digit number is 10 and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. We read 99 as 99. When we add 1 to 99, we get 100, which is the smallest 3-digit number. It is read as 100. The greatest 3-digit number is 999, which is read as 999. When we add 1 to 999, we get 1000, which is the smallest 4-digit number. It is read as 1000. Numbers go on increasing in this way and we come to the greatest 4-digit number 9999. It is read as 9999. Do you know what happens when we add 1 to 9999? Simple. We get 1000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. We read it as 10,000. Here, the digit 1 is at the 10,000s place. Some other 5-digit numbers are 10472. It is read as 10,472. 56894. It is read as 56,894. 80,031. It is read as 80,031. We can represent 5-digit numbers on the abacus. Here, the leftmost spike represents the 10,000s place. The numbers 63,219, 70,016 and 92,504 have been shown on the abacus. The greatest 5-digit number is 99999. Can you read this number? Yes, it is read as 99,999. Again, adding 1 to 99,999, we get 1 lakh, which is the smallest 6-digit number. We read it as 1 lakh. Here, the digit 1 is at lakhs place. 6-digit numbers can also be represented on the abacus. Here, the leftmost spike represents the lakhs place. 2,70,194 and 8,34,591 have been shown on the abacus. To read and write large numbers, we use a place value chart called Indian Place Value Chart. Here, the 7 places are grouped into periods. The first 3 places from the right form the ones period. The next 2 places form the thousands period. And the last 2 places form in the lakhs period. Let us arrange the number 2,73,946 in the place value chart. While reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period, except the ones, is read along with them. So the number shown in the place value chart is read as 2,73,946. Similarly, the number 850,403 is read as 8,50,403. First of all, make 3 periods, lakhs, thousands and ones as shown. Write all lakhs in the lakhs period. We fill all parts. For example, if it is 5 lakh, we write it as 05. Now write all thousands in the thousands period. Again, we fill all the parts. Write hundreds, tens and ones in the third period from the left. Now, if the number begins with 0, drop it. While writing numbers in figures, we put a comma after every period to separate the period. It helps us to read the numbers easily. On the other hand, place value of a digit in a number depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. The product of a digit and the value of its place gives the place value of the digit. Let us find the place value of each digit in 7,54,092. We arrange the digits in the place value chart. 2 is at ones place, so its place value is equal to 2 ones, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 9 is at tens place, so its place value is 9 tens, which is equal to 9 into 10 equal to 90. 0 is at hundreds place, so its place value is equal to 0 hundreds, which is equal to 0. 4 is at thousands place, so its place value is equal to 4 thousands, which is equal to 4,000. 5 is at 10,000s place, so its place value is equal to 5 10,000s, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 10,000 equal to 50,000. 7 is at lakhs place, So its place value is equal to 7 lakhs, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 1 lakh, which is equal to 7 lakhs. Remember, place value of 0 is always 0, regardless of its position in the number.